We have been able to travel through Thailand in all sorts of ways: motorbikes, trains, planes, and even buses. Today we embark on an incredible journey on one of the most exclusive and luxurious 73-foot charter yachts for a pretty good glimpse into boat life. Incredible island hopping and some million-dollar views. Join us today as we set sail across the Andaman Sea for an epic adventure.
Wow! So we've just arrived. We're about to board the hype catamaran. I can't even believe I'm saying that right now.
I'm so excited. So we're going to be leaving today from the Chalong Pier.
How is this happening? I don't even know. But this is one of the most exclusive luxury catamarans here in Thailand, I think. We're going to hop on board now and we're going to try our best to give you a nice tour.
This is our own private booth.
This is amazing. Oh my god. Welcome to the Hype Luxury Boat Club. These are one of the most exclusive luxury boats here on Phuket Island. At the bottom you've got loads of tables, you've got a bar, you've got a live DJ. The bartender is pouring us some drinks. We had the most incredible pink champagne. It was absolutely incredible. And right now I'm standing at the top. It's like a top sun deck. You get to sit on the beautiful deck overlooking the most incredible water right now. I can't even believe that we're doing this. Such a luxury experience. Who are we?
So we have officially set sail. We've left the pier. So this is a 73-foot or 22-meter Ocean Voyager. It's a catamaran and it is fully spec'd. This is absolutely beautiful. Look at this backdrop. I feel like I'm in another world. Our first destination that we're going to is Coral Island. So we've left Chalong Pier. We will be doing some touring around there. Maybe we will have some lunch there as well. And then we're going to head to Racha Island where we will be doing some snorkeling as we kind of end the day off, heading back to the pier around sunset time. We're on our way! One of the best parts about taking the luxury yacht is you get to have lunch on board.
A definite highlight was the sushi.
Yes.
I mean, it's very rare for us to have such amazing sushi, but it was spectacular. I mean, the drinks were incredible. The food was really, really good. We have arrived on the beautiful Coral Island. Our first stop of the day, and it's already looking crystal clear. Weather is so good, water is beautiful. Get me in that water. Look at this. This is where we get to be for the next few hours. Wow.
We get to spend 2 hours swimming, laying on the beach, and then we're gonna get back on the boat and make our way. It is absolutely stunning, as you can see behind me.
The sand is so white, the water is so blue. I mean, I've never seen sand this white. We're actually like in paradise right now. This is actually our first time doing something so luxurious as this, going island hopping on one of the most beautiful catamarans we've ever seen.
You really feel like you're spoiled, like you're in the luxury lifestyle.
We're not used to that.
Hey, my girl.
Wow! It's so warm. That's not what I was expecting. This is the clearest water ever. It's like see-through. This is so awesome. A lot of our subscribers said that when we went to Banana Beach, we should have actually come to Coral Beach. So I see what you mean. The water is like 3 different shades of blue, but this is like, it's incredible.
It looks like it's a green screen. It's so perfect.
Right? Every time we come to one of these spots, we're like so grateful to be in Thailand. It's just amazing.
We're just continuously amazed at what Thailand has to offer.
It's like all to us. It's all for us. We're just in paradise.
That's the best part. We have this all to ourselves.
Swim a little deeper. I don't need to breathe with my head underwater.
We always use the word paradise when we come to these islands, but honestly, it's the only word that comes to mind. Look at how clear this water is behind us. Perfect sunny day. The water is warm. We've got views of the islands. What a backdrop. It looks like it's a green screen. And if you're coming to Phuket, do these tours and definitely try the catamaran. It's a completely different experience to going with the speedboats.
The beautiful coral island. We have set sail again. I've got to use all my boating terms, but we've set sail again and we're on board the beautiful hype boat. And now we're on to the next spot, which is Racha Island.
Arriving at Racha Island, which is our final stop for today. We're going to do a little bit of snorkeling here. And one thing to note is the boat's only cruising at 7 knots. So we're going so slowly from island to island. So it's a really comfortable, relaxing vibe. We got music playing, the drinks are flowing, people are eating. And if you're someone who gets a little bit seasick, because we're on such a big catamaran, you don't have to worry about feeling seasick because it's so smooth. So we've just arrived at Racha Island and we're making our way up to the second story where you can actually jump off from this platform. I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm gonna give it a go. It looks high.
Oh my gosh.
Way higher than expected.
Okay.
Look at this view down here.
Oh my gosh.
That's my view.
Ah, okay.
Okay.
Do this?
Are you ready?
Let's do this. I'm ready. 3, 2, 1.
It's really high. Okay, let's go!
Is that good?
There isn't anything I wouldn't do to prove that everything I say is true. And if you let me, I'll keep loving you. I just can't change my emotion.
you book this tour, you get food on board, you get a welcome drink, and you get to do the most insane island hopping ever. And you just get to lie around on this luxury boat. It was absolutely unreal.
It definitely gives you the luxury feeling instead of just going on a speedboat. This way you can relax, wind down with some friends, have some drinks. So now that we finished snorkeling, we're going to make our way downstairs. As we slowly drift back to the main island of Phuket, the music's going to get louder, the drinks are going to start flowing a little bit more, and we're just going to enjoy the rest of our evening.
She's riding shotgun and she looks like a star. Yeah, she's got the style that makes you think she's made out of gold. She says she likes it better when we go off-road. Yeah. I'm gonna make it worth your while. I'm gonna make it worth your time. Gonna make it worth your while.
Well, if that wasn't the most epic day ever. The snorkeling was absolutely amazing, crystal clear water on Racha Island, and the whole experience with Hype has been absolutely incredible. This will go down as one of my favorite memories here in Phuket.
But in the next video, we will be going on another island tour. So make sure you're subscribed for that. Make sure you hit the bell so you get notified when it comes out. And we'll see you on the next adventure.
Bye.